Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install font in your PixelLab. You know, in PixelLab we have default font that comes with the PixelLab anytime you install your PixelLab. But if you want to have your own font, like what I have here, you see my fonts, you can install it. That is what I'm going to be showing you now, how to install some nice font on your PixelLab. Let's do it now. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please I urge you to do so. That will be the first to be notified anytime we drop a video like this. First, I will go to my browser. I will go to my browser. First, I will go to my browser and type the font.com. I have here already the font.com. Let's wait for it to load. Now this is the place you download all font, any kind of font you want, you can get it here. Any font you want, you can get it here on thefont.com. Any font you want, you can easily get it here. Foreign looks, techno, iconic, basic, script, any kind of font you want, you can get it here. You can actually even search for font. Yeah, if you know the name of the font you want to download, you just search for it. So let's download one font here and use for our tutorials. I'm going to click on recent fonts as euros. Let me just look for something simple. Now I'm going to download this supercorn font. Let's download it. Download it here. Download. I've downloaded it. Now every font you download comes in a zip file. Every font you download comes in a zip file. Don't forget the font we download was this. So any font you download come in a zip file. So we have downloaded supercorn font. So now the next app I will need to install on my phone to make this work is ZAchiever. Then that you need to go to your Play Store to install ZAchiever. Now this is ZAchiever. This is the one you are supposed to install. This one right here, it is the one you are supposed to install. Now I have it on my phone already. That is the reason why it is showing open. Since you don't have, it will show download. You download it to your phone. The next thing is to locate your ZAchiever, because we have downloaded the font. We open our ZAchiever. Now we'll go to download, because whatever you download, when you go to your ZAchiever, you find it in your download. Now this is the app we downloaded. Supercoin or corn, sorry. This is the app we downloaded. Now the next thing to do is to copy this font. You copy it. Copy. Are you getting me? And you copy it. Click on this drop down option. You go to your device Got it here. Your device. You go to your device. Your device storage. That is where you are taking the font to. Click on your device storage. Now, when you get to your device storage, you create a folder called font in your device storage. If you don't have any font there, create a folder. I have my own here already. Create a folder called font. Then you paste that font you downloaded inside. Paste. I have my font here. Let's search for it. It will be in a zip file. I told you any font you downloaded will be in a zip file. Let's search for Supercon. Now this is our font. Supercon. You seen it? Supercon. Got it here. Supercon. That is the app. So that is the font. Now the font is in a zip file. We are going to unzip it, because if you don't unzip it, you won't be able to use the font. So I'm going to unzip the font now. Click on it. Then you click on extract here. We have extract here. Click on it. Extract here. I've extracted the font. Look at it here. Extracted the font. Now I'll go to my PixelLab. Open my PixelLab. I'll go to fonts. Go to my font. Then I'll click on this. Click on this icon here. Now let's locate our font. We'll search for it. Supercon. This is the font, Supercon. Then I'll just click on it. When you click on it, it has been added. So when you search for it here, Supercon, you have your font here. Look at it here, Supercon, so you can easily use it. So that is how to install font in your PixelLab. It is very simple. First step is to go to thefont.com, download the font. Every font you download there will be in a zip file. Then you go to Play Store, you download Z-Achiever. When you download your Z-Achiever, you open it, copy the font you have downloaded from your Z-Achiever, copy it to your storage, your device storage. Create a folder in your device storage called fonts and paste all the fonts you downloaded there. Then you extract them there. Then come to your PixelLab, click on this icon, click on it, then locate your folder called font and select everything, then paste and press OK. It will appear on your PixelLab under my font. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, I urge you to do so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you and stay tuned.